So, how do you grow your business in 2026? Well, 50% of Americans have used ChatGPT for recommendations of non-investment financial products. 50% of Americans have used ChatGPT for financial product recommendations, and traffic to US retail sites has grown 1200%. So, you can see ChatGPT and Gemini and other AI engines are the places to be found for your business. And that is why we have created EZY, EZY.ai. Now, we've actually got a free plugin that can be used. It's on WordPress. So log into your WordPress site. I'm just using quasar.space, a test website. Type in EZY or EZY.ai under plugins, under add plugin. And here you'll see EZY. Click on install plugin. Make sure it's the orange logo. And after a few seconds, EZY is installed. Click on activate. And that is basically it. Now, here on the left, you should be able to see EZY. You click on EZY, you can see your dashboard and click connect to EZY. That is pretty much it after I've copied and pasted this number. Click on connect website and that is it. You can do this very, very quickly. Now, once EZY is connected, you can see here connected, click on performance. And what you'll notice is that this is your dashboard. So this website today has already had one visit from ChatGPT and nowhere else. Well, that was actually me testing it out. So I clicked on here, quasar.space. I've got a link. And now if I refresh this page, it will take a second, but you'll see that now there's one more visit. So for free, you can track all of your AI agent visits. EZY actually tracks all of these AI agents, not just ChatGPT, but Gemini, Anthropic, Claude. And here for free, you can log into your EZY dashboard, see all of your visits every single day and all of the agents that hit your website. Now, once you're connected, go onto the dashboard and click on any one of these widgets to understand how they work. So EZY can create the perfect LLMs.txt file for you, but what's actually free is the robots.txt. We explicitly allow all of these AI agents to visit your website. So just click upload to WordPress, wait for maybe 3 seconds, and that is it. EZY has uploaded the perfect robots.txt file to your website. Click on view full site. And there it is, as you can see, all uploaded. Now, the rest of these widgets are actually behind a paid firewall for $29 a month, but they're incredibly powerful and will help you increase your visibility on AI engines. So the most important part of all of this is here, your prompts. Click on prompts. These are the questions that people type into ChatGPT to find your business. And Quasar is already found for one. Maybe your business is found. If it's not, click on view citations and you can see which companies and websites are already found for these prompts. Every single week, we update all of these prompts by searching ChatGPT and Gemini to see if you are visible. Again, all of this is completely free and will be updated in your performance dashboard. So please give this a go. Use this for free as much as you like. And if you ever want to upgrade, you can do so and use all of the other widgets in the EZY Pro version. Thank you.